Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs, and today I wanted to put my paper pumpkin kit together with you. This is actually my July kit. I'm a little bit behind. I've been quite busy these days, and haven't had a chance to put it together, but I already know what this kit is about, and I'm so excited. Because one of the reasons I was busy is because I was camping for a week. And this one is the adventure box. Next month, the August kit is going to be the Hope box, and it's Shelley Gardner. She was the creator of Stampin' Up, I guess. But her daughter is now the CEO. She has stepped down, but she creates boxes for us every once in a while. So stay tuned for my next video because I will do one with the Hope box. But I wanted to show you how easy Paper Pumpkin is. So Paper Pumpkin is a subscription kit, and it's, like getting a gift in the mail every month. And they come like this. They come in these boxes, wrapped all nice and fancy in some tissue, so it's like getting a Christmas gift once a month. And see, this is the Adventure Begins. This is June. This is the July kit. Didn't notice that. But this is the July kit, not June. So every month you'll get a kit. Sometimes there'll be treat holders. Sometimes there'll be cards. There's even been like gift bags. You'll always get an ink spot, and you'll always get the stamps. And in your very first kit, you'll get a Stampin' block. Not this one. It won't be as thick, but it'll be this size. So you'll have a block, ink, and usually most of the adhesives will be in your box. So this one, every month, they'll have a different colors so that throughout the year you'll have all different colors. So it's not going to be, okay, you got a garden green one this month, you'll get one next month. They mix up the colors so that you don't have the same one every month. So let me show you how easy this is to put these together. And then I'm going to try and make an alternate card with you real quick, because I really don't know what exactly is in this kit. I just knew it was the Adventure Begins. So this one, look, it contains all the envelopes that you'll need to go with your cards. So let's see, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cards. So this kit's going to be 12 cards. And then, oh, look at this. This is fancy. I'm all getting ahead of myself. So these are nice. I love it with my trailer. So these are your card bases. So you'll get card bases. You'll get all the materials to make the projects for that month. So let's see what comes in this kit. So let's punch all these out. I'm opening this with you, so I'm not really sure what all comes in it. And I'm just going to punch all this out real quick so that we have it when we go to make whatever our project is. And I just tore that one because I'm just so excited about this. I love the outdoors. I love to travel. We love to camp. We're always camping. We're getting ready to go camping again. In September, like the second week in September, then like towards the end of September, we're going to go to Las Vegas, and we're going to stay in an RV park. We're going to go to the Las Vegas Raiders and Miami Dolphins game. So we're going to stay out in, at RV park in Las Vegas for a week. Okay, so that's all our pieces there. So this is the instruction sheet that comes with it. And it's nice and colorful. So it looks like these are your cards. This is the trailer card. This is the lantern. And then this one's the trees. So I'm so bad because what I do is I always look at the picture and that's how I put mine together. But let's try and follow the instructions. So let's do the trailer one first because that's on our list first. So it looks like we fold it, and this one gets folded over. So your first instruction is to fold it over. And then we're gonna stamp. Okay, this is a little bit confusing. Let's punch our trailer out. So this piece does not go in there. This piece does not go in there. And it looks like, where's our tree? This tree. So this tree is going to go, number 1 is to fold. Number 2, I guess it's telling me to punch this out. And then number 3, we're gonna stamp, let the adventure begin. So it's telling me to get my stamp. So we're gonna use this one. So this here is the ink spot. So you're gonna stamp this in green on this tree. Kinda a little maybe confusing, but we will get it and we'll get it right. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my garden green, my ink pad that I already have, because I like to save those ink spots and give them away as prizes. So we're just gonna stamp this right on here. So now our tree has some pine needles or leaves, whatever, some texture. Oh, so we're gonna need this, and we're gonna use this banner, and we're gonna get let the adventure begin. This one. And I'm gonna put that over here on a different block. And see how I put this on crooked? Should be more straight. But that's a nice thing about these. You could curve this if you wanted to. Mine's a little bit curved, and we'll keep it that way, just to give it a little different. And that is that. I like to close these. I don't like to keep them open because things fall. So now we are going to add this tree back behind here with some mini glue dots, which are included. Where did I do with my, here they are. Here's my little pack that comes with the adhesive and some embellishments. So look at this, it's got some sequins. So these are little glue dots, and we're gonna put them on the back side of this tree to adhere the tree. So you probably only need about 3 or 4. Let's do 4. Oops. I'm not using my take your pick tool. That's why I just lost that one. Here's my take your pick tool. And take those off. They're very hard to see, but there is a glue dot under there. Okay, so we're gonna stick that right behind our trailer. So let's go, oops, did I bump the, let's go about there. So there's our trailer. And now with this one, we're gonna add the dimensionals. These are dimensionals, so it says to add 3 dimensionals. 1, 2, 3. See right here, you can tell it's dimensionals, and down here it's the glue dots. They put 3, I have put 4. But it's up to you. Like I say, normally I just look at the picture and put my cards together. And then it's telling you to put the sequence just wherever. So let's put this right here. And a lot of times they'll have like ribbon, twine, or whatever as well to go with them. So let me get my take your pick tool. So it looks like they have one here. I need some putty out of my, I wonder if I ran out. There it goes, oops. Oh, missed it, I missed it. Oh, actually I did mine a little bit different. And now I got something stuck on there. Now that I got my putty out, there, we're gonna put some in here. I keep getting something under my, on my thing, like a plastic coating. And so there's our card. And look at that. You could probably even pop that up if you wanted to. But how cute. I think I'm gonna send these to my family members who were on our camping trip with us. You know, it's a family event every year, but I always like to thank everyone for coming. So let's do this one, and this is pretty much the same. We're gonna fold it. These are all easy. Everything's already cut, scored, prep for you. I mean, you just have to punch this stuff out. This one is going to be the lantern. So we could take all these little pieces out. And let's get our instructions. Just make sure I'm doing the right thing. Fold it. We are going to use the stamp, Let Your Light Shine. And we're doing it on a circle. So the circle, let me find Let Your Light Shine, this one. And then these stamps are yours to keep. I mean, everything's yours to keep. So you can make a lot of other stuff with, you know, your supplies. You'll have the ink, you'll have your block. So Let Your Light Shine. And that's going to go on with some dimensionals again. And this one, because the circle's going to go over that. So see how they have the dimensionals on the bottom? Because it's not going to go onto there. So let's 1, 2, 3 around the bottom. And just put it right there like that. And we are going to, there's some little fireflies, I guess you could call them. And you're gonna stamp them all over the card. So where's our green again? Now what I would do to fancy this card up is I would add probably some Winkastella. So see where these white spots are? That's where you're gonna put your little fireflies. But I would probably add some Winkastella to make them a little bit bright or sparkly, I guess, so that they're kind of like shiny fireflies. And then again, just add some sequins wherever you want. Oops. I think my daughter just showed up. So hopefully she doesn't come barging in while I'm doing my video. And that's it. That card was super easy. I just need to burnish that so it stays down. Now look how cute. Super adorable. So, and then it goes in that matching envelope. How cute is that? So let's do our last one, which this is going to be folded over. It's the tree. Let's get our instructions right here. We're going to pop all this out. I love this set. So that one stays. Just like burnish this so it stays down really well. All right, and it looks like we are going to stamp that green on the little blue tree. But what they're doing is, see here, they're going to use the bottom half of the stamp, not the top. Because we're only getting the bottom half. So I still have this one here. And see, this is just going to go right on here like that. And that's it. Oh, let's keep this out. And we're going to use this right here. We're going to use Dream Big. Where did I do with mine? Dream Big, Aim High. So we will stamp that at the bottom. I have glued, I have everything stuck to my, I'm using this same stamp, or block. There you go. Dream Big, Aim High. So now that is gonna go on with some dimensionals. So we're gonna put some, one here, and one here. And that's what they show you the instructions. And that's gonna go on the front. And then so it's gonna look like we have a three-dimensional tree right there, like that. And we just add some more sequins. So you can put them, oops, wherever you like. Just, we need to add some, oops. I'm having a, I don't know why I keep having this. I don't know if it's coming off of the sequence or what. And then there's that card. How cute is that? I put my glue dot a little bit high. It's getting stuck over there. But we can fix that. Let's move it down. Oops. There. And then I need to get that little piece out of there. So there's our third card. Wow, so you must get 4 of each of these. Aren't they adorable? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 of each card. So that is this month's kit. And I will make an alternate project with this kit. And I will post it on my Facebook page. So just keep an eye out. If you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, just let me know. I will have a link at the top in the description of this video so that you can purchase it. And if you purchase a prepaid one right now during celebration, you'll earn some celebration items as well. So I hope you guys like this kit. And if you have any questions, let me know. You guys take care. If you do place an order, use the August host code. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.